What's up, guys? Coastal Carolina Outdoors here. It's your boy Dylan and Skylar out here in the Outer Banks, about to get us on something. It's high tide right now. We're about to go drop 3 baits because there's a lot of people out here, and we'll get back to you whenever we start hooking up on some fish. Our bait. All right, guys. This is our bait. This is about a 5-pound bonita. Got the 18-aught catch-all circle hook right through the bottom jaw. So we're about to tie the brick to it, and Dylan's about to take it out. And yeah, we'll get some videos when he's taking it out. We're taking the first bait out. 5-pound bonita. Have to get this backlash shot. But Dylan's out there in the kayak now. He's probably gonna drop it like 300 yards now. But yeah, we'll let y'all know if we get any pickups, or we'll let y'all know the next run that we do. So Dylan's going out with a second bait now. He's dropping half a little bluefish on the Spin Fisher 7500. See if he can get a little shark on it. So we're gonna see what he can do, and I'll let y'all know if he gets anything. All right, guys. So we just got picked up, and oh, there we go. There we go. It's been munching for about 5 minutes now. So we're probably about to see if we can get up on it real quick. Hey Dylan, come on, go ahead. Go ahead. Wind as fast as you can though. Turn the clicker off, bump the drag up, and wind, dude. Wind like you've never winded before. What, a brake pulling line? Because I got it on video pulling line. It might be a little one, but it'll still be something like AJ's was. Stop winding for a second. Yeah, just go ahead and wind it in. That's 2 bites or 2 fish that we've had hooked up in like an hour. Well, the first one didn't get hooked up, but we just dropped this bait like 30 minutes ago. So we'll let you know if we get it in. Hey, Dylan, one. Hey, back up, back up, back up. Yeah. Hey, Dylan. Are you still recording? Alright, if it runs out of time, start it. Okay. Sir? Nah. Sir? All I do. Hey, wind, Dylan, wind. Hey, Dylan, come here. What is it?
It's a black tip. Hey, I'm gonna go get a front shot.
You getting it on video? See, this is when we need the bolt cutters. Hey, go. I already have them. Hey, go grab some clippers or something real quick. Somebody, hand me my phone. Alright, guys, so Dylan just landed his first fish.
Hey, get the line off of him. It's in his mouth. Right line.
And he's getting a release on him now. Hey, Dylan, when you get past the breakers, flip them around. Nice little black tip. And off he goes. All right, guys, so we'll let you know if we get any more fish or not. Dylan.
Yeah, son.
Alright, so you just seen us catch that black tip, so Dylan's taking another bait out now. He's taking a rudderfish carcass out. After this, he's gonna go do some trolling out there in the water and see if he can get like a bluefish or a Spanish. So I'll let y'all know if we get any runs or anything. Like I said, he's taking this out right after we caught that black tip, so we're gonna be out here all night. Let's see what we can get. All right, guys, so it's like 10:30, and we're starting to drop the big baits now. Dylan has like a 7-pound piece of bonita, the front half of it, and we're gonna be dropping it like 300 yards out. We didn't get any bites on the rudderfish carcass earlier, so we're gonna go ahead and take this one out, and he's off in the kayak, and we'll let y'all know if we get anything. All right, guys, so it's about 1 o'clock, and we just set out our last bit of baits. We might do another 1 or 2 after this, just depending on if we get picked up or not. We plan on staying all night, but we're dropping some big baits, so they should be able to soak for a few hours without having any problems. So I'll let y'all know if we get anything or if he takes another bait out here. Alright, guys, so we were sitting out there kayaking, and it's not doing it now, but it's been dumping line for about 20 seconds, so I'm gonna give it until it starts dumping line again like it was just doing. And I don't know, dude, it was reeling. It's slack. Ain't they? Is there? Keep going. Bro, we got a perfect little tide pool right here we could bring them into. He's on there 100%. What bait is that on? That's right. Dude, I don't know if this is it's a fish, but I don't know if it's a black tip or not like it was yesterday.